In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Emergent AI. Before you open the platform, take a moment to plan your idea. This part is important because the better you define what you want to build, the better the AI can help you create it. Think through the purpose of your app, the features you want, and how users should interact with it. A clear idea at the beginning will make the rest of the process much smoother. Once you have your concept ready, go to the Emergent AI platform. When the site loads, sign up for an account if you're new, or log in if you already have one. After that, you'll arrive at the main dashboard, which is where the building process begins. On the dashboard, look for the main instruction box. This is where you'll paste your detailed prompt. Be as specific as possible here. Describe what kind of app you want, what it should do, and any important functionality or design preferences. The AI uses your prompt as the blueprint for the build, so detailed instructions usually lead to better results. After you submit your prompt, let the AI build. At this stage, Emergent AI will begin generating your application based on the instructions you provided. Depending on the complexity of the project, this may take a little time, so just give it a moment to finish processing. When the build is complete, Emergent will provide a live preview link. Open that link to test the app in a safe browser environment. This is your chance to make sure everything works the way you expected. Click through the app carefully, check the main features, and confirm that the user experience feels right. If you notice something missing, or if you'd like to add a feature or fix a bug, you can type that request directly into the chat. One of the biggest advantages of Emergent AI is that it can update the app for you without requiring you to write code yourself. Just describe the change clearly and the AI will revise the app accordingly. Once you're happy with the final version, open the deployment panel. From there, Emergent will run a health check to verify that the app is ready, and then you'll be able to deploy it directly to their managed cloud infrastructure. This helps simplify the launch process and removes a lot of the technical friction that usually comes with publishing an app. Finally, if you want your project to look more polished and professional, you can connect your own custom domain in just a few clicks. And that's the full process for using Emergent AI, from idea to live deployment.